Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So yesterday in Nifty we had discussed if Nifty opens above 16,100 then it can remain sideways, and in case Nifty goes below 15,985 then we can see a selling pressure and Nifty can fall till 15,900, 15,800. Today Nifty came till 15,910, then later in the afternoon session we saw a rally. So now Nifty has a support at 16,060. So tomorrow if Nifty opens below 16,060 then we may see a selling pressure and Nifty can fall till 15,900. And if Nifty crosses 16,250 after opening flat then Nifty can go till 16,400. And in case Nifty opens around 16,300 then you can see price action and then trade accordingly. Now let's see Bank Nifty. So yesterday in Bank Nifty we had discussed if Bank Nifty opens above 34,550, 34,600 then it can remain positive and you can find buying opportunities. After a profit booking we saw a breakout in Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty went till 35,200 and we saw that it can go till 35,000, 35,100. And today Bank Nifty went till 35,222. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty crosses 35,225 tomorrow then Bank Nifty can go till 35,500 to 35,800. That is the next resistance level, and Bank Nifty has a support around 34,900. So 34,900 will act as a support. If Bank Nifty opens below 34,900 then we may see a negative scenario in Bank Nifty, and in that case Bank Nifty can fall till 34,700 to 34,400. If Bank Nifty opens around 35,500 then you can trade according to the price action. So our today's stock is HDFC Bank, and if you see it was consolidating in this range and it has given a breakout from this range. Also there was a resistance around this candle and it has closed above it. So tomorrow you can buy HDFC Bank if it crosses 1371. The target will be 1400, that is the next resistance level, and for this trade you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 1360. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.